AI isn't the threat, it's the unfair advantage. But most people are too slow to realize it. They're poking ChatGPT like it's a toy instead of wielding it like a weapon. They ask it to write emails or summarize some notes, maybe crank out a lazy blog post. Then they wonder why they're stuck, why the results feel hollow, why everyone's talking about this AI revolution while their life looks exactly the same. Here's the truth no one tells you. The difference between amateurs and elite creators isn't what tools they use, it's how they use them. Because when used right, AI doesn't replace you, it amplifies you. It takes your ideas, your energy, your strategy, and shoots them through the stratosphere. Used strategically, AI can help you dramatically increase your output and open the door to more income opportunities without the overhead of a full team. Let's break it down. Part 1. How most people use AI and why it keeps them broke. Most people treat AI like a basic assistant. Write this caption. Give me 5 blog ideas. Make this sound smarter. That's entry-level thinking. They're outsourcing tasks, but not upgrading their thinking. They're stuck in consumer mode, reacting, scrolling, asking for templates, while elite creators are building empires. Why? Because AI is reflective. It only gives you quality if you feed it vision. It only gives you leverage if you feed it leadership. If your inputs are average, your outputs will be irrelevant. It's like owning a Ferrari and never going over 20 miles per hour. You're not even touching the power. Part 2. How elite creators actually use it. The 3-layer AI system. Elite creators use AI in 3 key layers. Number 1, as a thought partner, confidence engine. Before anything is written, scripted, or sold, there's a phase of thinking that most people skip. Elite creators don't use AI just to get answers. They use it to expand their mental bandwidth. They prompt it like this. List 5 contrarian angles I haven't thought of for this idea. Push back on this argument. What's the strongest counter? Turn this concept into a framework I can own. What am I missing that a top 1% strategist would catch? This isn't about answers. It's about pressure testing your brain. The result? You start thinking on a higher frequency. You get more decisive, more confident, more creative. AI becomes your mirror and amplifier, polishing your insights and stretching your potential. Number 2, as a production system, cash multiplier. Next comes execution. But instead of writing everything from scratch, elite creators build systems. They create prompt stacks that turn long-form content into emails, tweets, shorts, reels, and carousels. Repurpose scripts into ad copy and landing pages. Generate SEO-rich blog posts from transcripts. Take buyer objections and flip them into FAQ-driven sales pages. Build entire funnel sequences from a single offer doc. This isn't lazy, it's leverage. In one focused hour, an elite creator can produce what would take a team of 5 an entire week. That's not just time saved, that's money earned. Because the more output you can ship at scale with consistent quality, the more opportunities you can hit, the more offers you can test, the more revenue you can capture. This is how AI becomes your cash multiplier. Number 3, as a strategic command center, control switch. Most people drown in tabs. They never zoom out. They're in constant reaction mode. Elite creators use AI to design and run their game like a war strategist. They prompt, based on my top 3 offers, what's the most profitable 90-day marketing strategy? What is my customer journey missing? How do I maximize my LTV while lowering time to sale? Diagnose why my last launch underperformed and give 3 fixes. Build a weekly calendar based on my top revenue driving activities. This isn't playing with tech. This is building a battle-tested control center. It gives you a God's eye view of your business. So instead of reacting to fires, you orchestrate movements. That's real control. And it's only possible when AI becomes your co-strategist, not just your content slave. The 60-minute AI power routine. creators who want it all. Here's how to unlock this every day in just one focused hour. Minute 0 to 15, strategy calibration. Feed AI your current offers, problems, and goals. Ask it to spot missed leverage points, surface insights, and propose angles you haven't seen. Minute 15 to 30, idea sprints. Run your best idea through 3 to 5 refinement prompts. Turn it into a visual framework. Identify hidden objections. Translate it for 3 audience types. Brainstorm 10 plus headlines and hooks. Map a CTA ladder from free to premium. Minute 30 to 50, content deployment. Stack prompts to generate 5 plus pieces of content for your top offer. 1 short form video script, 1 long form post, 1 carousel, 1 tweet thread, 1 email. Minute 50 to 60, optimization and insight. Ask AI to detect friction in your funnel. Analyze the structure of your sales page. Predict which content pieces are most viral ready. Recommend tomorrow's highest ROI move. Then save it. Rerun it tomorrow. Upgrade as you go. This isn't random prompting. This is systemized compound leverage. Final warning, AI won't save you. It will expose you. If you lack vision, AI will mirror that. If you're unclear, it will multiply the confusion. If you play small, it'll keep you there. But if you're ready to step up, AI becomes your force multiplier. You don't need a team. You don't need more hours. You don't need to figure it out. You need a game plan, a system, a clear identity of the person who uses tools like this to dominate. Because elite creators don't chase leverage, they become it. So ask yourself, are you poking the tool like a hobbyist, or are you wielding it like a weapon? Some creators are using this approach to scale fast, even building lean businesses that generate serious revenue. While the rest, still writing, can you make this sound better? Clock's ticking. You in? Stop guessing. Start commanding. Elevate your content strategy with AI squared. Over 100 expertly crafted prompts designed to enhance your productivity and creativity. Discover how to leverage AI effectively and take your projects to the next level. Grab AI Squared now before everyone else catches on. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in description for more.